It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, December 15th. I'm James Spann. A beautiful day today. Rain tomorrow night, sharply colder for the weekend, and maybe some unsettled weather before Christmas with strong storms. So a lot of things on the plate. As always, this is a very interesting weather state, so here we go. Boy, check out that deep upper trough in the western U.S. Cold, unsettled there. But around here, it's a dry air mass and a nice cool morning. The cold spot, Fort Payne, they've got 37, Cullman 39, Birmingham 45. We'll expect a high in the upper 60s. Some spots maybe touching 70 today. Very comfortable. But again, there's the cold air in the western United States where snow is going to be a big problem today for parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado. Winter storm warnings in effect for those counties in the shades of pink. But the eastern half of the nation is quiet, although the northern tip of Maine is under a winter storm warning. Let's go to the convective outlook. This is for tomorrow and tomorrow night. There is a marginal severe weather risk on the Gulf Coast. New Orleans, Gulfport, Biloxi, Mobile, Gulf Shores, Pensacola, up into far southwest Alabama, places like Jackson and Atmore. Now, where we are, the northern half of the state, there could be some thunder tomorrow night, but there is no significant chance of severe weather because there is no instability. And we'll check out the dailies here in a second. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. And again, the bulk of this will be tomorrow night. Rain amounts of about 1/2 inch for northwest Alabama with 1 inch down to the south. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid today at noon. Here's the trough in the west, but again for us, very nice weather. Sunny, highs today between 67 and 70. Big snows. Nebraska, Colorado, Wyoming, and South Dakota with that 996 millibar low south of Goodland, Kansas. Tomorrow, the surface low near Minneapolis-St. Paul. Snow continues in the cold sector. There's a cold front stretching down through Little Rock and Houston, but very limited moisture on the front, so a little band of showers. For us tomorrow, the day should be dry. High, again, mid to upper 60s. Clouds will increase, and this is tomorrow night at midnight. You can see the rain coming through. Could be some thunder. No severe weather for the northern half of the state. Maybe a few strong storms near the Gulf Coast, and that's a reason why there is no instability. That's the Cape at midnight tomorrow night. You got some down around Mobile and Dothan, but nothing up here. Thursday at midday, the rain is on the way out, so the rain will be ending Thursday morning. The high Thursday will be around 60, maybe low 60s, with gradual clearing. And then Friday, look at the cool breeze. Got a 1030 millibar high that's over South Texas. Friday, noticeably cooler. Partly to mostly sunny, kind of windy. We'll start the day in the mid-30s, the high at 52. And those numbers are all of a sudden below average for late December. Saturday, it's going to be cold. Looks like we'll be in the upper 20s, a 1035 high just northwest of here. The day will be sunny but very cool. The high for places like Birmingham around 50. North of Birmingham, they won't get out of the 40s during the day. And Sunday morning is going to be cold. Goodness, the GFS is all of a sudden printing a low of 23 for Birmingham. That means some of the colder pockets could see upper teens. And the high Sunday would be in the middle 50s with a bright sunny sky. So if you're looking for weather that feels like cold weather at Christmas, there you go. But don't get used to it. It's an El Nino winter. This is Monday. The Gulf begins to open up. There could be a few showers developing by Monday. Got a surface low well to the north. And this is Tuesday, a week from today, December 22nd. Troughing in the west, and again, rather unsettled. A pool of moisture with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. The high would be in the low 60s if this is right. And again, let's go to Wednesday, the 23rd. Pretty interesting. This is Christmas Eve. A lot of people are traveling on this day, and there's a lot of stuff going on here. First off, in the west, it's cold and snowy. It could be a big snow for Denver, Albuquerque. Snow up into Wyoming and Nebraska. So if you're dreaming of a white Christmas, as we've said for how long, head west. The east is very mild and showery and unsettled. We'll mention a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and this is one element here that's a little it'll catch your eye. This is the instability on December 23rd. And look at the unstable air surging up into Houston and Lake Charles. And even here, we've got instability values well in excess of 1,000 joules per kilogram. That is unstable air, and it just makes you wonder if somebody somewhere in that zone might have a severe weather problem right before Christmas. We don't know that yet. I mean, this is a week away, more than a week away. And then on Christmas Eve, the 24th, evidence maybe the storms are kind of trying to kick out. We have seen other runs that keep it unsettled on Christmas Eve, on Thursday of next week. So we'll just watch things. It's, again, too early to define if we have a severe weather threat. And Christmas Day, again, this is off the ensemble. All the members, you put them together, you average them out. That's what you get. Warm in the east, cold in the west. And that has been advertised for days and days and days. Let's look at our numbers off the ensembles. Look at that weekend chill. Look at the 40s for highs and lows dropping to freezing. And again, the deterministic GFS is showing 23 here early Sunday morning. But then we warm up with potential for low 70s by Christmas Day and a chance of strong storms right before Christmas. And then numbers come down a little bit beyond Christmas as we approach the new year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes of the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.